Welcome to the channel. This is a space for spirituality, inner stillness, and deep relaxation. A place where ancient wisdom meets modern understanding. Here, we explore meditation, sacred geometry, mantra, and the subtle energies that shape our inner world.
We also dive into martial arts, not just as combat, but as discipline, presence, and moving meditation. Strength with awareness, power with control. And above all, this channel is about healing, restoring balance within yourself, and learning how to support and uplift others.
If you're seeking clarity, strength, and deeper connection, you're in the right place. Welcome. Subscribe now